Hi guys, it's Maddie here, and today I'm going to be showing you the rose gold makeup bag from Lily England. So first off, this bag is such a gorgeous colour. It's got the really lovely on-trend rose gold and white faux leather outer, which I love, with matching rose gold zips that have the rose gold tassels. So the bag has two separate compartments. So the first smaller one, it has all of the brush holders here and a little protector to keep everything clean, and also this little clear section here so you can quite easily find all your compacts, sheet masks or anything that you're storing in here. And then the bottom section is larger, so you can fit all your larger items in here. You can fit your cleansers, moisturisers, and it also has a separate pocket here as well for more valuable items. This is so great for organising all of your makeup, so you can use this on the go or even display it on your dressing table. It's such a lovely bag. It also has so much space as well, so you can fit all of your essentials, but it's also quite compact enough so it won't take up too much space in your luggage or bag. I think this bag is such a perfect gift for any makeup lover. It's great for everyday lip use. You can fit all of your hair brushes, makeup brushes and beauty items in here, so it's great for on the go or whether you're just staying at home and you want to organise your vanity table. I highly recommend this bag and I hope you love it as much as I do.